later, leaving. Okay. 10 in the morning. Morning. 20. Trying to get to Messalonghi today. Again. So 5 minutes later, the engine's packed in again. I think it's a crap diesel. So when you're there, we're like 2 miles away.
Right,
We're just
what have you got? Have you got any storage?
1.4. Let me see what the wind is.
The wind should be at our back, I think.
It's not. I think we should put the vision up as well. It might just take us there.
What's that looking?
1.5. Yeah, put the mizzen up.
Missing this up.
Okay. 1.6. 1 point. Oh, girls, nearly there. We're so close. I need wind, wind, please. Wind, wind, wind. I only wanna. I know, baby. Yes. bad luck. 3161718. Thanks, Alana. Yes. Don't know what we'll do without here. Yeah. So as we drop the sails, the engine stopped again. So I put the sails up again, and there's a little bit of wind, but we're not sure it's enough for us to get there. So someone's just called my name. I don't know who it is. Hiya! Our engines stopped.
Oh no!
Do you think you would be able to give us a tour?
Yeah, I can try.
Yeah? We, you know, I'm not sure we can get there on sails.
I'm gonna get ready for it. Wait.
Great, thank you. Right, okay, I've got a lift.
I'm just splitting the engine now.
I'll try, yeah, by all means. He said he's getting ready for it. We haven't got much wind, so I'm not sure we can get there on sails. So we'll see. He said he's gonna get ready. He called my name. I don't know. He said Svetlana. I don't know who it is. He seems to know me. I'm on neutral, right? So I haven't done the tour before. I don't know what's involved. Probably need some lines ready. Okay. The long line is here.
The long stern line.
Yeah, it's here ready. It's all curled nicely. God, who's this?
Reds. For now. Shall I put a bit more revs or leave it as it is? Where was the boat? Where was the boat that said Svetlana?
Well, he returned to get ready.
Yeah.
As we started.
Where is it?
That's the guy.
I can't see the name of the boat.
Like Cryos or something. But I did let him know that we started going. So, or he would be here anyway. We'll go and see him.
So hopefully he will follow us in.
Yeah. Well, everyone's going to Messalonghi now.
Yeah.
I think it's closing the season. People are going to Marina. So what happened? What have you done?
I've changed the water separator filter again. clogged.
Why? Is it because of the
It's just dirty.
diesel? The fuel's dirty.
Yeah, and because we're low on the tank, we've got quarter of the tank, we're sucking up sediment.
So it's all, on the bottom, right.
So what we need to do effectively is flush the tank.
Yeah. Can't see behind the sail. Just keeping the sails up in case the engine stops again.
Right,
Don't
stand
suck
on
it
the
in,
phone, Joe, so you can see.
Yeah, I just thought we'll keep the mizzen up, just in case the engine fails again. We've got just something. So everyone's going slow. Could you drop this cushion down so I can see the depth gauge?
6.3, 6.4. I knew putting that inline manual fuel pump would be a good idea. I was able to breathe the engine in record time then.
Oh god, yeah, that was very quick. My reason's working.
Sorry?
My reason is working. It looks so shallow here. Around 6 meters. And boats slowed down for us because they know that we're not very stable. Wow. It's good. You know, it's so shallow there that he was just walking. I saw him. Now he's standing. You can see his legs sticking out. It's so shallow there.
When we get to Messalonghi, we're going to the marina.
We're going to Marina.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to siphon out what's left of the diesel in the tanks into the cans.
We need to clean the
We need
filter.
to work out how to clean the tank,
Yeah.
and I'll filter the fuel that we've got left, and then we need to order.
We managed to get some filthy diesel then.
Well, I think over time that tank has obviously got sediment in it anyway,
Yeah.
and because we're low, I mean we're quarter of the tank, we're sucking sediment.
Okay, so it's a good idea to get it cleaned anyway. Maybe clear the tank altogether. Yeah. Okay.
Well, that polishes the tank and gets rid of the sediment. Then.
Yeah. So, have you spoken to the marina? Have you got the berth
No,
for us?
I've got the radio here, but it's too soon because
Yeah. Is it 69?
we need to get into the lagoon. Yes, it is.
They go like that every time we get here. Where are we, girls? Everybody's slowed down for us, you know.